The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 and rules. This act was passed in 1985 and extends to whole of India. Due to increase in the number of drug abuse means illegal drugs use of illegal drugs. Due to increase in the number of drug abuse, the central government passed the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and rules to prevent the physical and mental health of the humans, particularly the youth. The learning outcomes. From this video, the learner will be able to know the objectives of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and define the different terms related to the act. Objective of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act: to consolidate and amend the law relating to narcotic drugs, to make stringent provisions for the control and regulation of certain operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances and for matters related therewith. That means the main aim of the act is to combine, to consolidate and amend means to combine and accurate, and stringent provisions means strict arrangement. To combine all the rules and regulations, to make certain corrections whenever possible, and make a strict arrangement for control and regulation of the operations which are related to Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. Before going to the next topic, see some pictures of coca leaves, opium poppy and cannabis. First two pictures are showing the coca leaves and their fruits. Second two pictures are of opium poppy, and third two pictures are of cannabis. ओपियमला मराठीत अफू म्हटलं जातं. कॅनाबिसला अजून एक वर्ड आहे हेम्प. कॅनाबिस आणि हेम्प ह्याला मराठीत भांग असं म्हटलं जातं. कोका, ओपियम and hemp are excellent drugs, but they are habit forming and have degenerating effect on the health of the user. As early as in 15th century, coca leaves were chewed by natives of Peru, Bolivia and other Latin American countries so that they could feel refreshed. It is now known that its active constituent cocaine has a very powerful effect on the brain, and its continued use leads to diminution of willpower, temper and forgetfulness. Hemp is very popular in Asia and Africa. Some definitions from the chapter. First is addict. ॲडिक्टला मराठीत व्यसन असंही म्हटलं जातं. अ पर्सन हॅबिच्युअल टू रेग्युलर यूज ऑफ एनी नार्कोटिक ड्रग और सायकोट्रॉपिक सबस्टन्स इज नोन ॲज ॲडिक्ट. दॅट पर्सन who is regularly taking such narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances can also be called as a addicted person. Next definition is cannabis, which is also called as a hemp. It includes charas, which is a resin in crude or purified form obtained from the cannabis plant, which includes concentrated preparations and a resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja, which comprises of flowering or fruiting tops of cannabis plant, excluding seeds and leaves not accompanied by the tops, and any mixture with or without any neutral material of ganja or charas or any drink prepared from them. So cannabis is including 3 points: charas, ganja, and mixture of charas and ganja or any drink prepared from them. Charas is a resin which is in crude or in the purified form, and it includes concentrated preparation of the resin, which is also called as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja consists of the flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, विच इज ऑलरेडी शोन इन द पिक्चर्स. आत्ता आपण जे पिक्चर्स पाहिले त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कॅनाबिसचा फ्लावरिंग टॉप दिसेल तिसऱ्या पिक्चर्समध्ये. सो गांजा कन्सिस्ट ऑफ फ्लावरिंग ऑर फ्रुटिंग टॉप्स, मीन्स द अप्पर पोर्शन ऑफ द cannabis plant is called as ganja, but it does not include that part or that top which is not having seeds and leaves. ज्या टॉपला सीड्स आणि लीव्ज नाहीत असा टॉप गांजा म्हणून ओळखला जात नाही. अँड द थर्ड पॉईंट सेज दॅट एनी मिक्सचर विथ ऑर विदाउट एनी न्यूट्रल मटेरियल ऑफ गांजा ऑर चरस. असं कोणतंही एखादं मिक्सचर ज्यामध्ये गांजा आणि चरस हे एकमेकांमध्ये मिक्स असतील किंवा त्यांचा दोन्हींचा यूज करून एखादं ड्रिंक प्रिपेअर केलेलं असेल. नेक्स्ट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कोका लीफ. इट इन्क्लूड्स द लीफ ऑफ कोका प्लांट एक्सेप्ट द लीफ फ्रॉम विच ऑल इगोनाइन कोकेन and any other igonine alkaloids have been removed, and any mixture thereof with or without any neutral material but does not include any preparation containing less than 0.1% of cocaine. Means coca leaf is the leaf of a coca plant, but it does not include that leaf from which all the chemical constituents are removed. The chemical constituents from coca leaf are igonine, cocaine, and any other igonine alkaloid. If that has been removed from the coca leaf, then that leaf cannot be considered as coca leaf. Second point shows that any mixture with or without any neutral material but does not include any preparation containing less than 0.1% of cocaine, means any other mixture which is containing the chemical constituents which especially cocaine, but if that preparation is containing less than 0.1% of cocaine, then that cannot be called as coca leaf. That means the amount of cocaine should be more than 0.1% in that mixture or in that preparation. Next is the definition of manufacture. It includes all the processes other than production by which narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances may be obtained, refining or transformation of such drugs or substances, making of preparations containing such drugs or substances. Manufacture is that process which does not include production. All other processes which are different from production are called as manufacture. Refining or transformation of such drugs or substances means purification process can also be called as manufacture, and making of preparations containing such drugs or substances means any other preparation if is prepared then that can also be called as a manufacture. But the narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances must be used in that preparation, in that product. Next is the definition of manufactured drugs. It includes all coca derivatives, medicinal cannabis, opium derivatives, and poppy straw concentrate. Any other narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may having regard to the available information as to its nature or to a decision of, if any, under any international convention by notification in the official gazette declare to be manufactured drug. Manufactured drug means all the coca derivatives, then medicinal cannabis and opium derivatives, as well as poppy straw concentrate. All these can be called as manufactured drugs. Means all the preparations which are prepared from coca, opium and cannabis can be called as manufactured drugs. Also, if the central government is declaring any substance, any preparation as a manufactured drugs by notification in the official gazette, then that can also be called as a manufactured drug. Narcotic drug. This definition is very important. It means coca leaf, cannabis, which is also called as hemp, opium and poppy straw, including all manufactured drugs. All these together are called as narcotic drugs and which are habit forming. Opium. Opium means the coagulated juice of the opium poppy and any mixture with or without any neutral material of coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing less than 0.2% of the morphine. Opium contains 2 points. The first is coagulated juice of the opium poppy. ओपियम पॉपीपासून काढलेला coagulated juice किंवा any mixture with or without any neutral material of coagulated juice of the opium poppy किंवा ओपियम पॉपी बरोबर दुसरं एखादं मटेरियल मिक्स केलेलं असेल किंवा नसेल, बट if that preparation is containing less than 0.2% of morphine, then that cannot be called as opium. That means that preparation should contain more than 0.2% of morphine. Opium derivative. It includes medicinal opium, prepared opium, phenanthrene alkaloids such as morphine, codeine and their salts, diacetyl morphine or heroin and its salts, and all preparations containing more than 0.2% of morphine or any amount of diacetyl morphine. Opium derivative is containing such total 5 types of the preparations, that is medicinal opium or prepared opium or phenanthrene alkaloids which contains morphine, codeine and their salts, then diacetyl morphine or heroin, their salts, and all the preparations which are containing more than 0.2% of morphine. Psychotropic substances. It means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any salt or preparation of such substance or material which is included in the list of psychotropic substance specified in the schedule. Any type of the substance, that may be natural or that may be prepared or that may be synthetic, any salt or preparation of such substance or material, but that must be included in the list of the list of the psychotropic substances of the schedule of the act. ॲक्टच्या शेड्यूलमध्ये जे जे काही सबस्टन्स सायकोट्रॉपिक सबस्टन्स म्हणून ओळखले जातात त्या सगळ्यांना सायकोट्रॉपिक सबस्टन्स म्हणून डिक्लेअर केलं गेलं आहे. The last definition from the chapter is illicit traffic. Illicit traffic means in another word it can be called as smuggling. मराठीमध्ये त्याला म्हटलं जातं अवैध तस्करी. Cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of the coca plant. कोका प्लांटला कल्टिवेट करणं किंवा कोका प्लांटचा एखादा पोर्शन कलेक्ट करणं ह्याला इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक असं म्हटलं जातं. म्हणजे जे कायद्याने जे बेकायदेशीर आहे असं त्याला म्हटलं जातं. सेकंड पॉईंट इज कल्टिवेटिंग द ओपियम पॉपी ऑर एनी कॅनाबिस प्लांट. कॅनाबिस प्लांट किंवा ओपियम पॉपी कल्टिवेट करणं हा सुद्धा कायद्याने गुन्हा आहे किंवा ते बेकायदेशीर आहे, अवैध आहे. एंगेजिंग इन द प्रोडक्शन, मॅन्युफॅक्चर, पोझेशन, सेल, परचेस, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन, warehousing, use of consumption, interstate import, interstate export, import into India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance. Means all the activities are included here which may be related to the narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances and that are illegal or that are called as smuggling. Dealing in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance, that is also illicit traffic. Handling or letting any premises for use for any of the purposes referred in point 1 to 4. पॉईंट 1 to 4 मध्ये ज्या ज्या काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज दाखवल्या आहेत त्या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज हँडल करणं किंवा त्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीजसाठी स्वतःचं प्रिमाइस देव करणं. लेटिंग द प्रिमाइस मीन्स अलाविंग ओन स्पेस, स्वतःची जागा देव करणं, दॅट इज ऑल्सो इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक. फायनान्सिंग एनी ॲक्टिव्हिटी बाय हिमसेल्फ or through any other person in the furtherance or in support of doing any of the aforesaid acts. कोणत्याही ॲक्टिव्हिटीसाठी नार्कोटिक ड्रग किंवा सायकोट्रॉपिक सबस्टन्सशी रिलेटेड कोणत्याही एक ॲक्टिव्हिटीसाठी फायनान्स प्रोव्हाइड करणं, दॅट इज ऑल्सो इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक. हार्बरिंग पर्सन्स एंगेज्ड इन एनी ऑफ द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज स्पेसिफाईड इन पॉईंट 1 to 6. Here the word harboring means to give home or shelter, म्हणजे आश्रय देणं. If any person who is engaged in the activities specified in point 1 to 4, if we are giving our home or shelter for living to him, then that is also an illicit traffic. And the last point is abetting or conspiring in the furtherance or in support of doing any of the aforesaid acts except to the extent permitted under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 or any rule or order made or any condition of any license, permit or authorization issued thereunder. अबेटिंग मीन्स एनकरेजिंग, ज्याला आपण मराठीत म्हणतो एखाद्या गुन्ह्याला प्रोत्साहन देणं. अँड कन्स्पिरिंग मीन्स टू मेक सिक्रेट प्लान्स जॉईंटली टू कमिट ॲन अनलॉफुल ऑर हार्मफुल ॲक्ट, ज्याला आपण षडयंत्र असंही म्हणतो. एखाद्या गुन्ह्यासाठी एखाद्याला प्रोत्साहन देणं किंवा काहीतरी षडयंत्र रचवणं किंवा प्लॅन करणं, त्याला एनकरेज करणं, ह्या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीजला इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक असं म्हटलं जातं. बट इफ सम परमिशन इज गिवन रिलेटिंग टू सच ॲक्टिव्हिटीज अंडर द नार्कोटिक ड्रग्ज अँड सायकोट्रॉपिक सबस्टन्स ॲक्ट ऑर एनी रूल्स आर मेड ऑर एनी कंडिशन, देन दॅट इज अलाउड. जर परमिशन असेल सर्टन क्वांटिटीसाठी तर त्याला इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक म्हणता येत नाही. अदरवाईज असं एखादं एनकरेजमेंट, अबेटिंग आणि कॉन्स्पिरिंग एनकरेजमेंट करणं किंवा सिक्रेट प्लॅन करणं, दॅट इज ॲन इलिसिट ट्रॅफिक.